welcome back to the vlog. So mom, them, they're gone and I am cooking Sunday dinner for the first time. Sorry, kind of picked up the camera a bit late, but yeah, I'm putting on the meat. The rice is finished, so I'll show you at the end when everything is done. And that's popping, and I'm a person that doesn't like oil, so what I am doing is, what I did is, oh my god, okay, I need to flip those, give me a second. I put on a sweater because I don't like oil, obviously, and this is just the way I'm cooking now. Woo! I mean, later on, I might not be scared of oil. It's in the pot. Sorry, I just turned it up more. So I just turned it up to 8 because I had it on 6. And the fog is, let's get lines. Okay. So I'm just gonna wait for this to, like, for it to actually start, because what it's supposed to do is it's pretty much supposed to fry first and then, you know, let it simmer down. Because frying it is like, it's, I don't know, it's like pre-cooking or something. Please, I don't even know. Don't touch what I'm saying. I haven't cooked a lot, honestly. Probably only cooked beef, like, I think once. This is the second time, or this is actually the first time. Oh, and I have a journey of the kitchen, especially on my face. You know how long I would cook, like, there? Like, brown stew, because I usually, see, it's getting hot. So I usually do, this pot. The pot isn't, like, you know, hot and stuff. But once you put everything in, then honestly, that's it. Well, that's not it, actually, because you have to let the pot dry. Well, not dry out. You have to let most of the water dry out, because depends on how much water you add and how much people you are feeding. Probably is gonna say, I don't know, equalize, max the. That's probably gonna be, you know what, I'm just gonna show you guys the pot because I don't know what I'm saying. So this is what the pot looks like. I'm so sorry, I literally just put these in here. Okay, so the beef is right there. This is my delicious pot. And then, bam, put this on. You turn up your stove to max. Our one is on max. And then, you're good. Honestly, just leave it. Stupid fly. Why is there so many flies? Okay, yeah, then honestly, you are Gucci because just let it simmer down for like, I don't know, 30 minutes, I guess. I think sometimes it takes like, because meat usually takes about an hour to cook. So it's almost been an hour since I've started the pot. Came down here at like 2:50. No, that's a lie. Actually, I came here later than that. And I put the pot on like 3 o'clock, and it's been say 40 minutes. 40 minutes? Yeah. And it's probably bubbling up right now. It's been about 40 minutes. And yeah. I'm going to, well, wash up whatever. I'm gonna wash up this pot and wash up the iron bowl that I use for the meat and the utensils that I used with it. And I'm also going to go on to my Spotify playlist. So when I'm done washing up the pot, I'm just going to add some water and salt, and I'm gonna put, because we're making corn, so I'm gonna put the corns in. But I don't think I'm gonna put them on now. So I am going to play my playlist, and I'm gonna be back because we're trying to get a copyright here, okay, sir? This is like a, say, Jamaican playlist, most kind of like patois English, Shansia and all of that. And this is just like a playlist of like people that I like listening to. So the food's gonna be done, I'm pretty sure, before my parents come home. So when they come home, they can have something to eat, because I'm also hungry. Because I ate soup earlier today. I think it was like 11 when I ate. 11? It was about 11 o'clock, I'm pretty sure. That's what matters. So, I'm making a cake. Please don't ask me why, because I do not have an explanation. Okay, y'all, so the cake's done, and I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it on the last wrap, actually. So, you know, the cake's done, and this is what our station. I literally kind of just like stabbed my foot a while ago. I mean, they come, they go. I don't come nowhere. Stay at my house. Okay. Okay. Ew, I look disgusting under this light. Okay, my gems. So, I'm gonna call you that probably if I ever remember the name. So, the cake is currently baking in the oven, you know, like how a baby bakes in the mother's stomach, except this is not a child. This is a cake, something that you're going to eat. So the cake's in there. It is very hot. Let me go ahead and close up that crusty oven. And this is the potatoes over here. The chicken is here. Oh my god, this camera's dying. I need to go get the battery, and the rice is here. The ultimate rice and peas. So I'm gonna go get a battery, and when the cake's finished, I will be back. Bye.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.